Shraddha Pandey and I am the founder and COO of Masika.in, which is a women's healthcare platform where we enable women to increase their health span. I think my first inclination was towards the vibe that it holds, and that is the differentiating point as well. From working from together, like the vibe is very directly proportional to the productivity. I've been telling that to a lot of people. Yes, we did face a lot of challenges when the pandemic started, but one of the good things that happened with us was because we are into the healthcare domain, it kind of boomed for us, right? And we were expanding, and there were multiple co-working spaces that we were exploring at that time, and we met Hafsa and Vachas. I think the team itself, for any, because I'm a founder and I'm an entrepreneur myself, so I understand that what is the importance of having a very strong product, right? And more than that, the selling team, the sales team is very important, right? So I think for me, the bonding that we shared with Hafsa and Vachas on day one with Christina, it was amazing. For me, that was the driving point. That was the motivational point that, okay, if the team is so great, coming here and working here and seeking their, opinions or suggestions into expanding our business is going to be very helpful. So I would say, in terms of being phenomenal is how Together and the team at Together has helped us to cope with the pandemic. Oh, one thing that I like about Together is that they are hyper hygienic, right? So I am hyper hygienic, and I keep noticing that the staff is always cleaning the tables where people have sat. There is, sanitizers in every corner of the entire office space. There are enough tissues. I just love the way entire building has been taking care of our safety, and it's all very understood among the community members as well. So I have not personally seen any of the Together member or any of the staff flouting any kind of safety rules or safety measures. So yeah, in terms of safety quotient, this is like 100 on 100. By being phenomenal. For any company or for any organization to be successful, the most important aspect of that organization is to have a conducive work environment, and Together has created this amazing work environment which allows us to be more productive, more conducive, and to be very honest, we're always very happy. I mean, have you checked out the wallpapers? They are just they're just very happy colors. So yeah, Together keeps us happy. The wallpapers, guys, I am very serious. These are the amazing choices of colors, the interiors, the vibe. There are many things that are amazing about this place, but you have to come and check out the wallpapers. I love it. My favorite corner is at Together HSR, the terrace, and I love it because of the view of the lake and the nature.
Nap pods or PlayStation?
Nap pods.
Hot tub or yoga?
Yoga.
Football or cricket?
Cricket.
Coffee or tea?
Tea. I'm an Indian.
Favorite thing about your day?
Coming to Together. Yeah, I've never loved going to office ever in my life until I arrived at Together. Believe me. Yeah. Alright, so everybody is watching this video, and if you've not visited Together yet, this is like a blasphemy. You can't do this. You have to at least come and visit this place. Bye.